Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 brokers for 2023. I always think it's smart to go into the new year with some sort of game plan or strategy, and we're going to be talking about the top brokers to make the most money. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and I'll put links to all of the brokers that we talk about down below. So if you guys are interested, check them out down below in the description. So now to jump into it, roll that intro. I hope you guys all enjoy it. Let's go. Now, before we talk about the top 3 stockbrokers, first, what is a stockbroker? Well, a stockbroker is pretty much how you and I have access to the stock market. And the stock market is pretty much all the publicly traded companies that you guys can invest in. Now, the beauty of a stockbroker is nowadays all of them are online compared to a couple decades ago where if you wanted to buy stock, you had to call your stockbroker and they had to send the order to the exchange. Nowadays, you guys can do it all commission free, so it's not costing you any money to invest other than the shares that you buy, and it's all commission free and fee free. If you guys are paying fees right now with your stockbroker, cancel it and go somewhere else because it's money left on the table. Alright, so the very first stockbroker is TD Ameritrade, and the reason I love TD Ameritrade is because they have just about every single account type you guys can offer. They have traditional IRAs, they have Roth IRAs, they have a taxable broker's account, they have 401ks, they have just about everything. And this is sweet because they offer something called DRIP, which is the dividend reinvestment plan. So pretty much if you guys invest for the long term, all of the dividends you guys can get, you guys can automatically reinvest them back into the business to make more money, and you guys can see the difference between reinvesting your dividends and not reinvesting your dividends. On top of that, they charge no monthly fees or commission, so you guys can save as much money as possible. And another really cool thing that they offer is Think or Swim, and Think or Swim is definitely suited for more traders rather than long-term investors, and you guys can long-term invest on TD Ameritrade, but they have Think or Swim, which is a trading platform that allows people to day trade, swing trade, look at stock, find stock, look at market news, look at the whole, industry and sectors. It's a fantastic platform. I've used it in the past and it's awesome. On top of that, they do offer something called paper trading that allows you to buy and sell 100% simulated. So if you guys wanted to practice trading, you guys can do it without costing you money up front, which is really cool. Now, with everything, there is going to be some limitations that TD Ameritrade has. The very first thing I don't like is they don't have fraction shares. And nowadays, fraction shares are pretty much how the average guy can invest, where you guys can only invest $10 a week and invest into like 100 different things. With TD Ameritrade, you have to buy full shares in order to trade or use the platform, which is one of the biggest drawbacks with this broker. Now, if I was going to rate this out of 5 stars, I probably would give it 4.5 stars out of 5. It's a great platform and I highly recommend it. Moving on to broker number 2. Before we jump into broker number 2, make sure you guys smash that like button right now and subscribe if you guys are new to the team, because we are nearing 22,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe right now. Now, the second broker that I currently love and currently use is M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a stockbroker that allows you to invest into something called a pie investment. Now, a pie investment is 100% fraction shares, no fees, no commission, all that good stuff. But what it is if you have $100 to invest, instead of investing $100 into one stock, what you can do is invest it into 10 stock at $10 each. And the beauty of this is you get diversification, you get less risk, and you can invest in everything you guys want to. On top of that, if you guys are somebody that doesn't want to actively manage your investments or actively pick what you buy and what you sell, they have several different portfolios that you guys can choose from. They have something called general investing, retirement, income. They have it where you guys can track major hedge funds and people like Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, and all the billionaires of today. But if you guys just want to pick and choose your stocks, you guys can do that also. And they have all the account types you guys can dream of. They have Roth IRAs, traditional IRAs, standard broker's account, 401ks. They have just about everything on here, and it's very simple, easy to use, and one that I highly recommend. Now, with anything, there's drawbacks, right? One of the issues that we face with M1 Finance is buying and selling. They have something called trade windows rather than going on, your broker and buying. Pretty much what you do is you place an order and they will execute it in the morning or in the evening if you guys have the M1 Plus. Now this does obviously have some drawbacks, because if you're looking to get in and out of positions, it's going to be very hard to do so with M1 Finance. M1 Finance is definitely geared and designed for somebody that wants more of a long-term investment rather than trading. It's still fantastic, but if you're somebody that is looking to day trade or swing trade occasionally, M1 Finance is not going to be the place to do so. This is going to be for income investors that want dividends. This is going to be for long-term investors and retirement investors. All those, this thing is going to be 5 stars out of 5 stars, but if I was going to generalize it, 4.5 stars out of 5. It's a fantastic platform and one that I currently use. All right, the last and final platform and broker that we're going to be talking about is one that I probably never thought I would put on this list. It's one that I talked about that I said I would never use, but I use it. Let me tell you, it's Robinhood. And the reason why is because Robinhood is the first to offer something called match. Pretty much what this is that Robinhood now on their IRAs, they just opened an IRAs, and pretty much what it is they will match up to 1% of what you put in. This is the first of its kind. Normally, the only way to get a match with your investments is to have your employer match it. Now, Robinhood is gonna match up to 1% of what you put in. This is game changing. This is gonna make a lot of people a lot of money, and it's the first of its kind. And Robinhood, I think we all know Robinhood, very easy to use. They have 2 account types. They have an IRA and they have a standard broker's account, which is game changer. That was one of the major issues I always had with Robinhood, is they had no retirement plan. If you guys are investing in Robinhood, it's all standard broker's account. There is no tax benefits with it. Now everything changed because they are offering this IRA and they're matching what you put in up to 1%. Now we all know Robinhood is a fantastic platform, fantastic broker. They make it very easy to use to buy and sell. They do offer fraction shares, so if you guys want to buy only $1 worth of a stock, instead of purchasing the entire stock, you guys can only just buy $1 of it. And they do offer drip and a whole bunch of other things like options, and they have, you know, different things to help you as an investor. So I think that's really cool as well. But overall, guys, I think Robinhood is definitely more of a beginner platform. But now that they offer this IRA, I would definitely see myself investing with this just to get that match, so I can make more money. But overall, guys, if I was gonna rate this out of 5 stars, I probably would give it a 4 stars out of 5, because the customer service does lack. I've been trying to get a hold of them with my personal account. I had a couple of questions and I've emailed them, I tried calling them. It's just a harder process. But overall, it's a great broker and one that I really love. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video on the top 3 brokers for 2023. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Take care.